Today I want to blend in with their Laos culture because Laos women love to wear skirts, so I wear a dress, long dress. Most of train stations here are built by Chinese people because they have good relationship with China, and there are more nice train stations in other cities in Laos. This is an example of their train ticket. We are going from Vientiane to Luang Prabang. It's gonna take 1.5 hours. We have arrived in Luang Prabang. Let's talk about trains in Laos. I think I'm pretty satisfied because their bathroom is pretty clean, and I checked their schedule paper. They clean the bathroom every hour, which is very awesome. We are getting lunch at Bunya Sok. I hope I pronounce it right. And it's next to Mekong River. My sister and I have found our favorite Lao dish, which is Luang Prabang style papaya salad. They cut the papaya into big pieces, which is different from Thai style papaya salad. Their sauce is flavorful. Banana pancake here tastes so good. Don't forget to order one when you're here. Bikini tops is not allowed here, so when you come here, you cover yourself properly, okay? The waterfall here is stunning. It's calm and cool in this area, even though it's extremely hot outside. I love this place. This is Wat Chiang Thong. It's a touristic place. People recognize it because of its old temple and reclining Buddha statues that is 400 years old. Okay, let's have a look around this temple. I think the reason why you should visit here because of the architecture. They mix between Laos traditional and French styles architect together. So it's gonna be very interesting. This is a fun museum that I've ever been to. If you go inside, you will see the gift from many countries like from Thailand, Vietnam, Japan. They sent both sets to the king and the queen. What I found interesting is that the gift from the United States guy, because they sent a small model of spacecraft, which is so much different from other countries' gift. It was presented by the President of the United States. His name is Richard Nixon. Here are more than 300 steps. We can do it. No exercise here. คนละ 20,000 ใช่ไหมจ๊ะ5 คนค่ะ And this is the top of Patat Pusi. Look at the view of Luang Prabang, guys. This is a photo spot that people like to come here. It's number 8. People in Laos still carry baskets to sell their fresh fruits. Before, we also had it in Thailand. Mini pineapple tastes really good and it's not gonna bite your tongue. This is Wat Vishnunarat. Look at the cool temple. This is the oldest Buddhist temple in Luang Prabang. Interesting items here are Khmer-style Buddha statues that were made in the 14th century. They were made of wood and covered with black and gold lacquer. If you want to say hello to Lao people, in Laos it's Sabai 20,000 kip for one Buddha statue. Our driver recommends Tamak Hung Metim to us. He says many Thai celebrities come here, and it's true. You'll see their photos on the wall. We love almost every dish that we order, such as deep fried fish and Luang Prabang papaya salad. There's a walking street in downtown. We found similar desserts that Thai people and Lao people eat, which is mango sticky rice.
แต่ก็ค่าเย็นแหละแต่ไม่มีกลิ่น
อันนี้อะไรเหรอคะเนื้อวัว It's cost 180 baht. They accept kip and baht, Thai baht. Look at this. Quality is not bad, guys. It's very good. Outside, they say they sold it by hand. And you can exchange your money at this walking street. This is the train station in Luang Prabang. We are going to Wang Vieng today. I hope you like this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.